What does a career in manufacturing look like to you?
Making something.
Students have been told that they need to go to college to get a good paying job. We're here to tell you that is not the case. There are many careers in manufacturing that do not require a college degree. PTP Spenco has been providing high quality cost, effective and efficient materials handling solutions for more than 4 decades. With locations on the East Coast and Nevada, they are able to effectively meet their customers' needs efficiently. Careers available at PTP Spenco range from manufacturing positions such as welders, fabricators, metal cleaners, painters, and shippers, to engineering positions and even internships. PTP Spenco's Vice President and alumni of Berks Career Technology, Sean Trexler. How did your experience at BCTC help with your career goals?
I was always into design and engineering and how things worked, so the drafting design technology program that was offered at BCTC seemed like a great fit for me.
Sharon Reddy Sanchez, a welder, is one of our youngest members of the welding team. After Sharon graduated from high school, she enrolled in a new welding program at Universal Technical Institute in Exton, PA.
What has been your biggest success factor?
I'd say my biggest success factor would be just being open-minded and accepting of constructive criticism.
Finally, we have Paul Feit, a lead engineer. Paul took CAD classes at his high school and went to Votech for engineering technology. After high school, he attended the D.S. Stevens and Penn State Harrisburg for mechanical engineering technology.
What is the best career decision you've ever made?
The best career decision I've made has been the choice to attend technical college. I feel like that was really...
These are just a few careers available in manufacturing. As you can see, not having a college degree does not diminish your chances of getting a high-paying and rewarding job.
That's what's so cool about manufacturing!